Hello everyone, today I am sharing with you how to make kimchi. Please keep on watching. I will show you how to make it step by step. To cut our Napa cabbage or Chinese cabbage, this is about 2.5 pounds of our Napa cabbage. This is how you cut it. And cut it into about 1.5 to 2 inches bite size, like this. After you cut all our cabbage into small pieces, then you're gonna rinse under the cold water to get all the dirt out. I will list all the ingredients in the description down below. This is our cabbage, Napa cabbage, that I rinse 3 times and let it drain. Now we're gonna use half cup of salt and put a little bit all the time. And toss. Make sure the salt and the Napa cabbage mix together well. Put a little bit more. And toss with salt again. Add salt and mix it again. Okay, after sprinkle our Napa cabbage with salt, we're gonna let it sit for 1 hour and make sure every 20 minutes you turn the cabbage over to make sure the salt absorbs evenly. We use 2 small carrots and we cut it like this. Some green onion, we're gonna cut it. Now we're gonna make porridge. You will put in a pot, you will put 1 cup of water mixed with 1.5 tablespoon of glutinous rice flour and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir everything together. Keep stirring and cook until it's translucent. And after it's done, turn off the heat and let it cool down. Okay, 1 hour later, this is how our Napa cabbage look like. We drain all the excess water out. And then now we're gonna make a kimchi sauce or paste. In a bowl, we put the porridge that we just made that is cooled down. Then we're gonna put 1/4 cup of crushed Korean chili and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of minced onion, and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. However, I ran out of that, so I'm gonna use ground ginger instead. Here it is, ground ginger. So 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Gonna mix everything together well. Okay, one more thing I forgot to put is 1/4 cup of fish sauce. And mix everything well. In a big bowl, we're gonna put our Napa cabbage, the shredded carrots and green onion. Put everything. And put our kimchi paste. You can use spoon or fork to mix everything together. However, for me it's easy to use hand, but I put glove. So we're gonna mix it. It smells so good. Okay, here is our kimchi. I transfer from a big bowl into this jar. You're gonna leave our kimchi to ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. Then you can keep it in the refrigerator. Okay, thank you for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe and the notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload new video. Again, thank you.